Montessori, learn with fun. Watch, listen, speak. Today we learn the short vowels and long vowels. Let's start. We will looking at short vowels and long vowels, understanding long vowels and short vowels. Now there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. Repeat with me: A, E, I, O, and U. Short vowels sounds A, E, O, E. These are the short vowel sounds. Let's see some examples of the words with short vowel sounds. When there are 3 letters in a word, it normally takes the short vowel sound. Now we have short vowel A, hat, H, A, T, hat. One vowel, the vowel is A. 3 letters, so it will take the short vowel sound. So let us sound it out. H, A, T. Hat. Hat. What is the word? Hat. Let us look at the short vowel E, A. P, E, G. P, A, G. Peg. What is the word? Peg. Let us look at the short vowel I, E. P, I, N. P, E, N. Pin. What is the word? Pin. Let us look at the short vowel O. O. G, O, T. G, O, T. Got. What is the word? Got. Let us look at the short vowel U. Y, U, M. Y, M. Yum. What is the word? Yum. If you want to remember the short vowel sounds, you can use these words. A as a apple, apple. E as a elephant, elephant. I as a igloo, igloo. O as a octopus, octopus. U as a umbrella, umbrella. Now let us look at the long vowels. What are the vowels again? A, E, I, O, U. Now the long vowel sound takes the sound of the name of the letter. So the sound of the long vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Now let us look at some example of long vowel A. We have P, A, L, E. Do you notice there are 2 vowels in the one word, A and E? Whenever there are 2 vowels in a word, the first vowel takes the sound of the long vowel sound and the second one is silent. So, in this word, we have letter A and E. The first one will take the long vowel sound, which is A, but the second one does not say anything. So let us sound it out. P, A, L, pale. P, A, L, pale. What is it? Pale. Let us look at long vowel E. M, E, A, T. There are 2 vowels E and A. The first one will the long vowel and the second one is silent. Let us sound it out. M, eat, meat. M, eat, meat. What is the word? Meat. Let us look at long vowel I. P, I, L, E. Two vowels I and E. The first one, which is I, will take the long vowel sound, and the second one is sh, silent. P, I, L, pile. P, I, L, pile. What's the word? Pile. Let us look at the long vowel O. M, O, L, E. Two vowels O and E. The first vowel will the long vowel sound O, and the second one is silent. Let us sound it out. M, O, L, mall. M, O, L, mall. What is the word? Mall. Let us look at long vowel U. We are going to look at an example with long vowel U. M, U, L, E. Two vowels U and E. The first vowel will the long vowel sound U, and the second one is silent. Let us sound it out. M, U, L, mule. M, U, L, mule. What is the word? Mule. So remember, there are two vowels in the word. Always it takes the long vowel in the first and the second one is silent. And what are the sounds of long vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And when you want to remember long vowel sound, you can use these words. A as in acron, E as in eagle, I as in ice cream, O as in overall, U as in unicorn. Let us review all that we have learned. We know that there are 5 vowels. That are the 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. Now, vowels are divided into 2 parts. That are the short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. The short vowel sounds are A, E, O, A. When you have 3-letter word, it normally takes the short vowel sound. Now the long vowels. What are the sounds of the long vowels? A, E, I, O, U. And remember, when there are 2 vowels in a word, it normally takes the long vowel sound and the second one is silent.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.